you guys want to add background music on your Snapchat, well, you guys are at the right video, because in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can add background song on your Snapchat, whether it's a photo or a video. Now before you start this video, I want you guys to know, watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you guys skip, then you guys might get confused on how you guys can add background song on Snapchat. And yeah, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, because it helps our channel to grow, and you guys can also get notified once our new video releases as well. So the way to add background music on Snapchat is, so let me show you guys how you guys can add it. So first, click a photo or a video. So I'm going to go with photo, but the steps for video is the same as well. Once you click a photo or a video, this screen pops up, like all these options pops up. From all these options, click on this music icon over here. Once you click on this music icon, it's gonna show you all this music, and you can choose whichever you want, or if you want to search for it, you can click on the search bar at the top. So let's say I want to add some sweet music. So these are all the sweet music over here, so you can also play them to see if this is the music okay, I'm turning that off because I don't want to get copyright striked. So this is the music over here. You can listen to them to verify if this is the song you want over here. And once you're sure this is the song you want, you can click on the song. And once you click on the song, at the bottom, as you guys can see, you can choose whichever part of the song you want to play by scrolling it over here. So the part between these two lines are gonna be played on your video. Once you choose the part you want, you can click on the tick mark over here. Once you click on the tick mark, this music is gonna be added to your photo or your video, just like this. You can make it small and hide it just below over here as well, so like most of your friends won't see it. But if you want your friends to see this, you can put this in the middle. So yeah, now you can click on send to and send this to whoever I want, or whoever friend you want. So that's basically how you add background song on Snapchat. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on. And yeah, you guys can comment down below what type of video we should make next. And if you guys have any question related with this video, ask us in the comment. We'll answer you guys. And I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye bye. Peace out. Have a nice day.